my cuties, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm Ritika and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and vlog sometimes. So, if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me. So, in today's video, we are going to do something very exciting, and I am very excited for that. So, basically, I am going to color my hair at home all by myself. Like, oh my god, that is like so fun. लेकिन ये सुन के ही बहुत ज़्यादा exciting and fun लग रहा है. I know, I get the point. So since really long time now, I was meaning to color my hair, and I thought like let me just wait and color my hair before my birthday because it's kind of ritual thing that I do. Like I do something to my hair before my birthday like every year. So last to last year I've colored my hair purple, and last year I did not really do anything to my hair because it was so damaged back then. Honestly, I am quite bored with this black hair and I am up for the experiment. But this time now it's been like quite some times that I've actually colored my hair of my own. So I am very excited but I'm kind of nervous. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. So let me show you what I am going to use today. It's Paradise. Like, oh my god, I was eyeing on this product for so long, and finally I got my hands on this one. This is their glossy hair tint, and it's like quite popular all over the internet. Like all the it girls have used this product and they really like the hair color on their hair. I know the cherry coke shade is like so viral, but honestly I was like very scared to go red because I am not that daring still. Maybe someday I will color my hair red, but not now. I chose this very safe color, which is like a shade of brown. It is espresso brown, and I chose brown because I literally wanted to stick to something that is like very safe and won't really make a huge difference. Because अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, it is not going to be on your face. Like किसी को उतना ज़्यादा देख के पता नहीं चलेगा कि कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है. So yeah, that's what I thought before getting this hair color. So yeah, I'm really excited how it's going to turn out. Also, I really wanted to try the hazel brown, but then I saw a lot of people saying that gonna it's gonna make your hair like really light, which obviously I don't want. So let me like talk a little bit about the product, packaging, and whatever you're gonna get in the box. This is how the box looks like. I know it's so pretty, and yeah, very exciting. So it's their glossy hair tint in the shade espresso brown. And they also say that it has no PPD and no ammonia and all those nasty chemicals that other brands have. Let's just do a packaging tour. पैकेजिंग टूर. यहाँ पे पीछे उन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया है कि आपके बालों के हिसाब से क्या कैसे लगने वाला है. सो अगर if you like have jet black hair, then this is how it's going to look like. And if you have slightly brown hair, then this is how it's going to look like. I don't know if this chart is like true because I currently have a jet black hair. Like this is how my natural hair looks like. And over here they have mentioned all the good things that's there in this hair color. So वो तो हमें use करने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. So you are going to get this glossy hair cream, this glossy cream developer. You're gonna get two conditioners. One you're gonna use right after you wash your hair, like after coloring, and the other one is 2 weeks after you color your hair. So I think that's great. This is basically to restore the color that's there on your hair, and basically ये fade होने से थोड़ा बचाता है, and it also moisturizes your hair. So yeah, that is that. Then you get this very pretty looking brush that you're gonna use to color your hair, and you're gonna get these gloves that you're gonna wear while coloring your hair. Also a manual to know your all the steps better. Basically all the steps are written in step by step. So yeah, please read everything before using it because एक बार मैंने कुछ बिना पढ़े ही कर लिया था, and I literally applied the color on my scalp and that literally burned so bad, like so bad. So I have learned my lesson. आप लोगों को मैं बता रही हूँ ताकि आप लोगों के साथ कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो. And I'm super excited to use this. So without any further delay, let's just get started with the coloring process. Okay, so I have changed into something which I don't mind ruining, and let's just get started with the final process because I am so excited and I just can't keep calm. Okay, whenever you are coloring your hair, please use a non-metallic bowl because that's what they say. Like every box type पे ये mention होता है. Basically non-metallic होना चाहिए. उसके अलावा plastic glass कुछ भी use कर सकते हैं. So yeah, I'm using this one. First, I'm going to put this glossy creme developer in the bowl. So let's get started. Next, I'm going to use this glossy color creme. Um, okay. It doesn't smell bad like other color brands. Like it does smell weird, but it doesn't smell bad. क्योंकि other brands के color they smell really really bad. Like मुझसे तो नहीं सहा जाता है, but okay. Wow. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. No, for some reason I feel like it is going to be very very messy. Like I'm very scared right now. I've mixed them together and just look at the color. This is so beautiful, so pretty. Like it literally feels like melted chocolate. Like just have a look. This is so pretty. But you just have to mix everything very very well. Let me show you guys what my hair looks like before coloring. So how this is how it looks like, all black hair, and I've just washed my hair with shampoo. And yeah, that's it. No styling, no serum, no conditioner, and that's why my hair looks so puffy and very dry, unmanageable basically. So yeah, let's just ignore that and get started. I'm going to color my curtain bangs, so I'm just putting that aside. It is like literally so hot over here, and मैं AC fan कुछ नहीं चला सकती because the background noise will be so bad कि आपको वीडियो देखने का मन ही नहीं करेगा. So doing so much things for you guys. Oh my god. Literally गर्मी में बैठ के तुम लोगों के लिए वीडियो बना रही हूँ. You guys better subscribe. So I've made the partition and this is how it is looking like. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक डिवीजन बनाया है. यहाँ पे मेरी कर्टन बैंग्स है. मुझे इन्हें कलर नहीं करना है तो मैंने इसको साइड कर दिया. This partition goes from behind my ears and मैंने इसको ऊपर कर दिया है, and this is the remaining. Okay, so I'm just gonna start coloring my hair. I'm so nervous and little bit scared. I don't know. Finger crossed. I just hope it turns out good और कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. Like finger crossed. Okay, don't forget to wear your gloves, you guys. हाथ खराब हो जाएंगे. मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि मैं कुछ टाइम के बाद ग्लव्स खोल दूंगी क्योंकि नहीं होता है, बट लेट मी ट्राई. मैं एक ही हाथों पे ग्लव्स लगा रही हूँ और एक हाथ से तो मैं ब्रश से अप्लाई करूँगी. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड. नहीं, मुझे ग्लव्स नहीं पहनना है, फिर मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊँगी कुछ ठीक से. सो गाइस वेयर इट. ओके, वाई मुझे ग्लव्स पहन के ठीक से मैं कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ. द मोमेंट I think I should wear gloves. I'm feeling scared. I don't know, ब्रश से नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने अपना हाथों का इस्तेमाल करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है, विच आई न्यू गना हैपन, बट इतना जल्दी हो जाएगा मुझे नहीं पता था. सो लाइक अच्छे से अपने बालों में कलर अप्लाई कर दो. My birthday is literally is in 2 days and I am up for all the experiment in my life. I can't do with the gloves. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. I have to apply my hands. Okay, so I've completely emptied the bowl and applied all over my hair beautifully, and you can see the condition of my hands. They are super stained, and my neck and my t-shirt and everything, like I'm super clumsy and I knew it is going to happen. So still I tried to use the brush or the gloves, but I failed. Okay, I failed. Anyway, so the color is beautifully on, and I'm going to keep it for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off and show you guys what it looks like after that. Hi guys, it's been 2 weeks since I have colored my hair, and they said that after 2 weeks you are supposed to apply this conditioner that they gave in the packet only. So it is their anti-fade brown conditioner which I have used today, and yeah, I just thought I'll quickly update you guys about whatever is going on, like how the color stayed on my hair, like what are the um, pros and cons and everything, and whatever I can feel after 2 weeks. So yeah, here we go. Also, please ignore my voice. I literally have a bad throat and I'm literally sick forever. Like, I'm just not getting better. I don't know why. So yeah, my voice sounds a little crusty. Please excuse that. So uh, on to the review about this conditioner. They literally give you so much conditioner, like I literally went ahead and took all of it out at once, so I could not like keep and use it. Otherwise, if I knew it is like a lot of conditioner, at least for my length, it was a lot. Like I could have used it twice. Okay, like this one packet. So yeah, I would recommend, if you have like this much length or shorter than me, so use it carefully, and you can also use it after like your after like the next wash basically. Also, the next thing I want to say that about the hair color, um it started fading already. Like, I'm a little bit sad about it, not gonna lie, but it already started fading. Like, you can see today is literally so cloudy outside. Otherwise I could have like taken a video on the sunlight, but I don't know, today it was like literally so cloudy. So let me tell you what are the experiences that I have faced in 2 weeks. So basically my hair got so much drier, like it got just my bird getting emotional and asking for attention. So because I'm speaking, and every time I speak he tends to talk back, so yeah, please excuse that. That's why I shoot at night, you guys, like. But anyway, my hair started getting a lot drier, like a lot, just in 2 weeks, even though I'm taking good care of my hair after coloring. But yeah, it just started fading, and I literally saw a lot of split ends on like this area. But yeah, I think this is a big bummer, and for someone who have already dry hair, I think it's a quite big thing for them, because I literally have dry ends, like Sahara desert wala dry ends. And yeah, so it got a lot more drier than whatever it was. So now and also, honestly, not gonna lie, I knew whatever I was signing for, and I still went ahead because I literally wanted to give a try to this brand. So yeah, I think it was like a quite good experience. But the coloring part, I really like it. Like the shade on me was superb, like I really like it, people around me liked it. But it did not stay for a longer period of time, at least. I don't think, like, it started fading. Okay, it did not go like entirely, but yeah, it did fade away. So yeah, that's all. Is my experience. And also, on the coloring day after hair wash, it was like really late, so I could not film after that. And because I was so tired, so yeah, I literally slept. And after that I took hair shots, like in the sunlight, like daylight and everything. But I did not shoot like a intro or told you guys my experience. So yeah, that's all, like a experience and review sort of a thing. And with that, we are towards the end of today's video. I hope you guys took something from the video, like the review and personal experience and all of those things. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to comment your favorite part in the comment section below. Yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. I love you guys so much. Bye.